Hello guys, today I want to show you how to upload websites on Google Chromebook. So first open a new Google document in Google, the website that you want to unblock. For example here, type in Facebook link address. Go ahead and go back to Google Docs. Click on Insert Link. Type in the link you just copied. Click on Apply. Now just type in the search bar, Facebook login. Just copy link address again, and go ahead on Google Docs and click on Insert and choose the link you copied here. Insert the Facebook login here now. Just head over to File and click on Download and select PDF file. Here, it will download Google Doc as a PDF file. Open the PDF file, just download it. And click on your Facebook link, and you successfully unblocked Facebook in your school Chromebook. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.